Hey guys, today we're gonna make a mechanic design for a t-shirt, and we're gonna enter design frame and start making a nice and cool design. And okay, here we are. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Google, and I'm gonna type in engine piston clip art. We're gonna see if they have some images, and I think this one looks good. I don't know what format will be, but yeah, this is not a good format, but we're gonna take the snipping tool to take us a screenshot. Hopefully it comes out right. We're gonna highlight the image and just take a picture, and then we're gonna save this as piston. Now let's go to design frame and go to the color keeper, because we're going to just save the color that we want. So we're going to select the file that we just downloaded, and we're going to increase the dark, which in this occasion is the black color. Then we're going to select with the color picker which color we want to save and apply. There you have it. Now let's download, and it downloaded an image. Now let's upload the image, filter image, make it big. Okay, I think that's good enough. And do not worry if it looks like this, because we're gonna add a metallic effect anyway, so no problem. And now let's add, we're gonna call this place Rogers Mechanic, and then add the text. And then we're gonna curve the text up, but we're going to choose a font. We're gonna rotate this. We're gonna select one that's friendly. I think that one goes with this design. I don't know, what do you guys think? And we're gonna rotate this down, because sometimes the curve comes out like this, and we're trying to fix it, but no problem. It's part of every program in the beginning. So now that we have this, we're gonna place this right here, and we're gonna add another phrase, services, but we're gonna make this lowercase, services. But for this one, we're gonna choose a different font, maybe Pacifico, if I can find it. It's up here somewhere. There we go. I think this one looks nice. I like this this type of font. It's really nice. All right, now we're gonna make this a little bit bigger. Maybe we're gonna spin this a little bit. Okay, make it look nice. And there we have it. Now let's take a screenshot and download the image. Now we're gonna go to Google again and find, like, you know what, I think I have a background here. Let's refresh design frame, and now let's go to the shape trim tool. We're gonna upload a metallic effect. We're gonna do gold first. If we don't like it, then we can go and download a silver one, but I think this one will look nice. I love gold colors on black t-shirts, so I think this is gonna be great. So take a shot. All right, now let's go back to design frame and upload a image of a t-shirt. Make it a little bit big, and then we're gonna capture adjust frame so it fits perfectly on the shirt. Now let's upload the new image with the metallic frame, and we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, and I think that looks amazing. We can, if it's going to be for a lighter color, let's say a white t-shirt, you can add, let me show you, you can add like an outline. Just make sure you do not exceed, you start with little, and then add the black outline to your PNG, and just keep adding as you, I think that is going to look good. So as you can see, this now looks good for a lighter background t-shirt, or it can be for a black or darker background t-shirt. So I think this looks great. I think this is gonna be it for my project, and this is how simple you can make a t-shirt design customized on Design Frame. I already have many other tutorials of many things that you can do with Design Frame, not only logos like this, but also AI logos, and well, I should say it, with logos that you get from AI web pages like ChatGPT, and you can transform them here, remove the background, and use them for your t-shirt projects like I just did. You can also edit invoices, you can do day planners, and many other stuff. I added some other stuff here that I will show you later on how they work. So yeah, this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Also, before I go, if you're interested in this program, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna leave the link below. You can get it for one-time payment. Thank you.